Hello and welcome to Capital Investments. In this video, we will be discussing the steps to create a profitable ebook business in depth. Ebooks are a popular and lucrative business opportunity. They allow entrepreneurs to share their expertise with the world while generating passive income. However, creating a profitable ebook business is not as simple as writing a book and putting it online. There are several steps you need to take to ensure your ebook is successful. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step to creating a profitable ebook business is to choose a profitable niche. This is the foundation of your business. You need to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a high demand for the information you plan to provide. It's important to research your niche thoroughly to ensure it's profitable. Some popular niches for ebooks include personal development, health and wellness, and business and finance. One way to research your niche is to use Google Trends. This tool shows you how popular a particular keyword is over time. You can also use Amazon to research the best-selling books in your niche. Step 2. Research your target audience. Once you have chosen your niche, the next step is to research your target audience. Your target audience is the group of people who will benefit the most from your ebook. You need to understand their needs, wants, and pain points to create an ebook that resonates with them. To research your target audience, you can use social media, forums, and surveys. You can also look at the reviews of similar ebooks in your niche to see what readers liked and disliked. Step 3. Write your ebook. The third step is to write your ebook. This is where you put all of your research into action. Your ebook should provide valuable and actionable information that your target audience will find helpful. If you are not a skilled writer, you can hire a ghostwriter to write your ebook for you. This is a good option if you have the budget for it. However, if you plan to write your ebook yourself, make sure you edit and proofread it to ensure it's error-free. Step 4. Create a professional cover design. The fourth step is to create a professional cover design for your ebook. Your cover design is the first thing people will see, so it's important to make a good impression. A professional cover design can increase the perceived value of your ebook and make it more appealing to potential buyers. You can hire a graphic designer to create your cover design or use a tool like Canva to create it yourself. When creating your cover design, make sure it's eye-catching, relevant to your niche, and represents the content of your ebook accurately. Step 5. Choose a platform to sell your ebook. The fifth step is to choose a platform to sell your ebook. There are several platforms you can use to sell your ebook, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Smashwords, or Gumroad. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so make sure you research each one and choose the one that's best for your ebook. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is one of the most popular platforms for selling ebooks. It has a large audience and offers a range of promotional tools to help you market your ebook. However, it also takes a large percentage of your royalties. Smashwords is another platform that allows you to distribute your ebook to multiple retailers. It's a good option if you want to reach a wider audience. However, it doesn't have as many promotional tools as KDP. Gumroad is a platform that allows you to sell your ebook directly to your audience. It's a good option if you want to have more control over the sales process and keep a larger percentage of your royalties. However, you will have to do more of the marketing and promotion yourself. Step 6. Set a competitive price for your ebook. The sixth step is to set a competitive price for your ebook. You want to make sure your price is affordable for your target audience while still generating a profit for your business. The price of your ebook will depend on several factors, such as the length of your book, the amount of research you put into it, and the value it provides. You can research the prices of similar ebooks in your niche to get an idea of what price point is competitive. You can also experiment with different price points and see which one generates the most sales. Step 7. Market and promote your ebook. The final step is to market and promote your ebook. You can't just put your ebook online and expect it to sell itself. You need to actively market and promote it to your target audience. There are several ways to do this, such as social media. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote your ebook. You can create posts, run ads, and engage with your followers to build buzz around your ebook. Email marketing. Build an email list of your target audience and send them regular updates about your ebook. You can offer them exclusive content, discounts, and other incentives to encourage them to buy your ebook. Book reviews. Reach out to book bloggers, reviewers, and influencers in your niche and ask them to review your ebook. This can help you reach a wider audience and build credibility for your ebook. Guest posting. Write guest posts for blogs and websites in your niche and include a link to your ebook in your author bio. This can help you reach a new audience and build backlinks to your ebook. In conclusion, creating a profitable ebook business requires careful planning and execution. You need to choose a profitable niche, research your target audience, write a high-quality ebook, create a professional cover design, choose a platform to sell your ebook, set a competitive price, and market and promote your ebook. By following these steps, you can create a successful ebook business that generates passive income for years to come. Thank you for watching this video on creating a profitable ebook business. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Capital Investments for more content on investing and entrepreneurship.